Make Muffin go this way. Turn Muffin that way. Good girl. Okay, pull back and tell Muffin whoa. Pull back and say whoa. Pull the reins back and say whoa. Pull back. Good job. Now pat him on the neck and say good boy.
Good boy.
Okay, give him a little kick and say walk on. Kick him a little kick. Kick him. Kick him in his belly. Kick him in his belly. Keep kicking. There you go. Yeah, you did it. Take him over there away from me. Take him over there. You got the reins, not me, honey. Say ho.
Oh.
Okay. If you want to turn him, take your hands this way and pull him over. If you want to go this way, you pull him this way, okay?
I want to go that way.
Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm off. Go this side. This side.
Oh, what?
Good job. Take your pony. Remember how to curl the rope up? Okay, take the rope. Make it in a curl. Just like this. Okay, here. Put that in this hand. This hand, hold the curl. Put this hand right here. Put it right here. Right here. Right here. Okay. Come up and come on.
On.
Take him over there. We tied him up. Pull on him. Take Muffin over there. You walk in front of him. Tell him where to go. Walk him over there. Walk him over here. Take him. I gotta take him over here just so we can take the saddle off him. Right, take him over there. Good girl. All right. Got him tied up?
Yep.
Okay, let's take a saddle off. Just come over here. No grain. He gets grain after he gets the saddle off him. Okay, take that off. Take it off. You're doing good.
You see that, right?
You pull that. You're doing good. Here.
Stop.
Just pull it right there. There you go. Okay. Take that off. This falls down. look, grab it here. Grab it right here. And right back here and pull all that off his back. Here. Grab the saddle here. Grab the saddle here. Now pull it off. There you go. That's okay. Take it. Keep going. Take it all off. Pull. Pull.
That's too heavy.
No, you can do it. Pull it off. Good girl. Okay, set it out of the way. Go set it down. Go set it down right over there. Good. Now come back and get the horse blanket. Put it right there. Okay, come get the blanket. Walk slowly. Good job. Okay, let's take the bridle off. Take that off him right here. Here. Okay, take the reins off his head. Take him this way. Go right over his head. Good job. Okay, now grab the bridle right here. Grab the bridle. Right here. Right here. No, both pieces, honey. Both pieces right here.
Oh.
No, not that one. Put your fingers underneath here. Put your fingers underneath there. Pull it off. Look. Put your hand underneath there. Put your whole hand. Every finger you have. Grab it. Now take it off his head. Take it off towards the front. Keep going. Grab it. Take it off. There you go. Okay, go put that by the saddle. Put the bridle by the saddle.
Huh?
Please go put the bridle by the saddle. Thank you. You getting hot, huh?